Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. A subtle camera improvement for Samsung's upcoming flagship has been revealed. New preliminary data shown, a very white color and a clear, noise-free sky. An insider has revealed new interesting details about the Galaxy S26 Ultra, which will change your smartphone experience. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Muted palette for Galaxy S26 Ultra leaves fans craving more. The rumored color palette for the Galaxy S26 Ultra has left many Samsung fans underwhelmed, raising concerns that the flagship may lack a truly distinctive visual identity. A well-known leaker Ice Universe, a leaker specializing in Samsung smartphone leaks, has revealed new details about the Galaxy S26 Ultra. The first leak concerns color. According to the tipster, the Galaxy S26 Ultra will come in a special white version. The white color of the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is very white, pure white and very attractive, the insider wrote on his X post. Apparently, the white Galaxy S26 Ultra will be different from its predecessors of the same color. But overall, the Galaxy S26 Ultra will come in more colors. One of the latest leaks centers on the Galaxy S26 Ultra's color options. According to renowned leaker Evan Blass, whose track record is notably accurate, the flagship is set to launch in 6 shades: black, white, silver shadow, sky blue, cobalt violet, and rose gold. Another piece of news concerns the camera. The Galaxy S26 Ultra's standard camera has significantly improved banding and noise in the sky, Ice Universe wrote on X post. This means the image quality will be better, even in such subtle details. Looking critically, the new Galaxy S26 Ultra's rumored new features boil down to 3 main upgrades: a larger main camera aperture, a new privacy screen feature, and a slightly thinner chassis. While early reports suggested a larger 5200 to 5000 mAh battery, the wired charging speed might increase to 60 watts, but core specs like RAM or camera megapixels seem unlikely to change significantly. Sure, the new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset will deliver faster performance, but for many users, the improvement may feel incremental. The previous Elite version was already a powerhouse. Even rumored upgrades to the display, such as the new M14 OLED panel, appear to focus more on energy efficiency than on dramatic visual enhancements. As a reminder, the official premiere of the Galaxy S26 line is expected on February 25th, with retail sales starting on March 11th. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.